I never thought I'd struggle with it, but I mean, like, for some reason, when I wasn't fighting or in camp, sorry.
Give me the quote on I got to read this quote to you guys from Islam Makhachev. You get the call, take this fight short notice, you take on Volk, and he says, what does this title represent? It means you're the best in the world. And if you're the best in the world, it doesn't matter who is going to be standing across from you. What do I say? No, never. Let's do this. I love it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Islam Makhachev menghapus keraguan semua orang dengan mengalahkan Alexander Volkanovski pada ronde pertama dari main event UFC 294 Abu Dhabi.
And yeah, again, I'm coming for that finish. I can't wait to go out there and shock the world. This is my time. As I just said earlier, right now the world is literally spinning for me.
Bukan hanya Volkanovski saja yang mengejutkan dunia seperti yang Volkanovski katakan sebelum laga ini terjadi dengan pemberitahuan singkat. Di sisi Volkanovski, dunia terkejut karena kekalahan cepat petarung asal Australia itu, yang diketahui belum pernah kalah finish sejak laga profesional keempatnya 10 tahun yang lalu. Seorang legenda UFC pun mempertanyakan apakah petarung Australia ini telah melewatkan kesempatannya untuk menjadi juara ganda terlepas dari sikapnya yang berani. Pertarungan utama ini berlangsung hanya dalam hitungan menit dan jauh lebih cepat dari laga pertama kedua petarung ini.
Declare the winner by knockout and still.
Kemenangan knockout yang ganas di ronde pertama oleh Islam Makhachev atas Alexander Volkanovski telah membuat dunia MMA tercengang di laga utama UFC 294. Mirip seperti tendangan Leon Edwards saat mengalahkan Kamaru Usman.
I felt strong. I felt strong in there, but like, yeah, I wanted to. Obviously, I've been telling you, obviously want to put some hands on him and whatnot. I wanted to pull the trigger, but I don't know, it just felt. I guess it felt a little weird in there. I just felt that little bit hesitant, which I didn't expect. I was like, I was waiting for something. I was like, all right, I'm gonna go, and then he got me.
Pertarungan kedua mereka diakhiri setelah sang juara divisi lightweight Islam Makhachev mendaratkan sebuah tendangan kiri yang keras ke arah kepala Volkanovski untuk memastikan kemenangannya. Volkanovski kemudian duduk di atas kanvas dengan rasa tidak percaya dengan darah mengalir dari alis pria berusia 35 tahun itu saat kenyataan dari hasil yang cepat itu mulai terasa. Volkanovski tak membuat pemberitahuan singkat sebagai alasan kekalahannya, namun ia tak kuasa menahan air mata yang keluar saat ia mengutarakan isi hatinya saat wawancara pasca pertarungan.
Yeah, I'm not gonna, I don't want to sit there and obviously make excuses, you know what I mean? So, I back myself, so that's the decision I made, you know what I mean? I probably made decisions. I could have made better decisions but again, he's not somebody you should be taking a short notice with, but I needed it. Again, obviously a lot of people will say it's for the money and all that, but it was much more than that. It is hard. It really is hard for athletes. Sorry. I never thought I'd struggle with it, but I mean, for some reason, when I wasn't fighting or in camp, sorry, I was just doing my head in. You know what I mean? I needed a fight, and then this opportunity come up, and I'll be honest, I wasn't training as much as I should have, but I thought I had to, I had to do it. I had to take it. I thought it'd be, I'm telling myself it's meant to be. Obviously. I was struggling a little bit, not fighting, doing my head in. I don't know how. Everything's fine. I've got a beautiful family, but I don't know. I think you just need to keep busy. So that's why I just ask the UFC to just keep me busy because I need to be keeping busy. I need to be in camp. Otherwise, I'm going to do my head in. So that's I'll leave it at that.
Jalannya pertarungan, kedua petarung memulai laga dengan sangat berhati-hati. Islam Makhachev lebih dulu melepaskan tendangan yang masih bisa diantisipasi Alexander Volkanovski. Momentum itu segera dimanfaatkan Makhachev untuk mendorong sang juara kelas bulu UFC ke dinding oktagon dengan posisi clinch. Volkanovski masih cukup tangguh dan menahan upaya Makhachev untuk menjatuhkannya. Duel berlanjut di atas, tetapi bukan Volkanovski yang memanfaatkan kesempatan untuk menggunakan keunggulan striking. Satu tendangan mengejutkan dari Makhachev mendarat telak di kepala Volkanovski. The Great langsung dibuat sempoyongan hingga akhirnya terjatuh. Makhachev kemudian menghajar Volkanovski dengan hantaman bertubi-tubi yang membuat Volkanovski tak mampu melawan hingga membuat area pelipisnya berdarah. Wasit akhirnya menghentikan laga saat ronde pertama baru berlangsung 3 menit lebih 6 detik. Berbicara setelah kemenangannya di Abu Dhabi, Islam Makhachev berterima kasih kepada timnya dan para penonton. Setelah ini jelas tidak ada yang meragukan kehebatan raja kelas ringan ini. Saat wawancara di atas oktagon, Islam Makhachev mengungkapkan beberapa pesan, yaitu tentang persiapan pertarungan dan pernyataan tentang rasa terima kasihnya kepada Volkanovski.
Yeah, honestly, coach, I have the great team. We always did this in the locker room. Always the training pushed me very hard. That's why it's happening today. And I told you, this not like same like Australia. Here is my second home. All fans, thank you. This is because of you, always support me. Thank you.
Membahas taktiknya melawan sang penantang, Makhachev menambahkan,
I show him first of all a couple low kick and body kicks, and I just change to high kick. This is all plan what we training last couple months for the Oliveira, and nothing changed. Same for Volkanovski. But I want to say thank you to this guy. He's a real champion. I told you, you have to turn on the light to beat this guy. He gonna fight all 5 rounds. He never give up.
Volkanovski mengakui bahwa ia telah dikalahkan oleh pria yang lebih baik dengan mengatakan,
oh man, just obviously great setup. You know what I mean? Good kick. Probably seen something. Obviously, yeah, it's hard. You know, I don't like losing. That hurts me, but he's a great champion. What do? You know what I mean? It's just. Yeah, that's what I mean. Look, I back myself every single time. And as I say, I still stand by that. Always back yourself. Islam's one man that you don't want to back yourself if you don't prepare properly, because look what he can do to you. That's how good he is. So credit to him.
Pada usia 35 tahun, Volkanovski tidak memiliki niat untuk mundur dari olahraga ini dan mengatakan bahwa ia ingin kembali beraksi untuk berlaga di divisi kelas bulu sekali lagi.
Yeah, look man, I just want to say to the UFC, please keep me busy. I don't do well when I'm not fighting, so please keep me busy. I'm happy to go back in January and obviously get this taken care of. Obviously go back down to featherweight. Obviously my job here is done for now. But yeah, again, credit to Islam. Great kick. What do I say?
Sekian informasi yang dapat Duel Sport sampaikan. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.